Okay, dnaclub.in/ck. Start free trial. So this is how you have to create an account. This is my another email ID. Okay. Okay. So now it is going to ask few questions and just answer these questions. Do you already use an email marketing tool? So let's say no. This includes subscribers on YouTube. How big is your audience? Okay. So let's say in my case, it is 50 to 1 lakh. You can select a 0 to 1000. What is your business newsletter brand name? So Tarun, it's my name. Fine. Well, this is the name. Okay. What is your business newsletter brand name? So this is my name. Now choose a custom domain. So Tarun. Okay. That's fine. That's okay. Okay. What type of creator you are? I am marketer, YouTuber. Okay. Uh, what do you hope to achieve with Kit? Okay. So I can say send emails. Welcome. Okay. So this is how you can create a free account. Now, when you're into free trial, okay, by default, it gives you 14 days free trial. So when you're into free trial, you can actually go to send and click on sequences. So let's talk about email sequence. Okay. You can now filter this. Okay. Email sequence. Okay. Yeah. So once you click on sequences, now click on new sequence. Okay. Can you see here? Let me bring the entire desktop. Click on this one, new sequence. Okay. So I click here, new sequence. So choose a template. So I'm not, okay. Any other option here? Another option. Okay. Let's click here, text only. So welcome to your first sequence. Okay. So sequence means set of emails which you can write. So here, suppose this is day one email. Okay. Example. And here you can day one email to book meeting example. Okay. So you can write the subject of the email. And then when do you want to send this email? I want to send this email one day after. Okay. After 1 day. Okay. After 1 day. After 1 day means somebody who has opted in my form. After that, 1 day later, send this email. Okay. Click on publish. Okay. So before that, I have to first verify the email, verify this account because this is a brand new account. Okay. Verified. Publish. Right. So this is day one email. Can you see on the right side? Okay. So this is day one. Similarly, I can click on add email and from here I can write day two, like day two email. And again, subject, this is the body, day two email body. And then here I want to send this email day two after the, okay, send email 1 days after the last email. Clear? 1 day after the last email. So last email was day one. Now this is day two. Clear? Then I click on publish. So this way you can create multiple emails. You can have multiple email in a sequence. And I'm calling this sequence, we can name it. Okay. After opt-in example. Okay. Let's call the name of the sequence after opt-in. Only one sequence is there. Clear? So you can see 2 day sequence with 2 emails. This is how you can create the sequences, but how to trigger this? Now you can click on visual automations. Right now it will not trigger. Okay. So you have to set up automation when to trigger this set of emails. So click on new automation. And from here, I want to send this. Okay. We have multiple templates here we can use, like share your social media content, all this. You can explore this. Click on start from scratch. And from here, click on start building. So when anybody joins a form, which form? Right now, there is no form in this account, but you can select a form. Okay. So if I click here on landing page and forms, I can create a new landing page. Just for testing purpose, let's use this one, choose, and let's say publish. Okay. Now go to visual automation. So this was the one. I click on edit, start building. So when anybody joins the form, which form? This one. Okay, we just created one landing page for testing purpose. Okay, this form. When anybody fills up this form, then add an event. Which event? When anybody fills up this form, then action email sequence. Like if anybody fills up this form, then add subscriber to email sequence. Which sequence? Which we have just created after opt-in. Clear? After opt-in. So if I publish that form, okay, opt-in form, and if I start promoting it also on social media, if anybody fills their email ID there, then automatically this email sequence, like day one, day two emails which we have written, these emails will start triggering like day one, after day one, then day two, day three, day four, day five, like this. Okay, I click on add action. So this automation is now up and running. If I click on active, okay, so after this you have to click on active, this one, turn it into active mode. So only when this is in active mode, activate it, only then it is going to publish. Okay, so this is the first automation which we have done. So this automation is now working. You can see active. So number one step is create a sequence of email, name it. Okay, then click on automate, then click on visual automations, and from here you have to create new automation and just follow the steps, whatever it is asking you. Choose a landing page and then choose the event sequence to trigger after that particular event. Clear? Is this clear to all of you? Okay, I understand if you're non-techie, maybe you may find it little complex. Okay, but just work on it. Okay, I mean just open it, open ConvertKit, sorry, Kit. Now it is Kit. Open it and then just try it out yourself. Just see each and every word which you can see on your screen. Observe what they are saying, and then accordingly you can take action. Clear? And you can watch this tutorial again and again, but I strongly suggest you, if you're not using Kajabi, you must at least use Kit.